Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial featuring the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This is the Premier Edition we're going to be looking at today. And I want to show you something that is a very nice feature with this vehicle. In the past, if you wanted to use the rear view camera, you had to put it in reverse. And you can change the angle of the camera right here as well and look at all of the different options that you have. But you don't have to be in reverse to do so. So let's go over here and scroll over to camera. And as you can see, I've got it in park right now. And yet we can still look at our different camera views. A very simple but very effective and useful option. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe to Vehicle Visionary, because when I hit 25,000 subscribers, one of you will win a gift card to Amazon for $250. If you want to see a full video tour of this exact 2021 Chevrolet Suburban Premier, make sure to check out the end screen. There will be a video link there for you to watch. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. I'll see you next time.